Hello everyone, I'm Nicola, co-founder of CZero, and I'm here to guide you through your first minutes in CZero web app. So let's start. First, we go on CZero landing page, czero.cc, and here it's loading our page. It takes up to 5 seconds. Now we would like to chat with our LLM, but it's not possible. And why is that? Well, as you can see, we are guest user, so we're not registered. And because it's the first time we access CZero web page, we have no locals model in our cache of our browser. So following this message, we need to go to the setting and download the model. We'll start with my favorite, Qwen 2.5, 1.5 billion parameters. This is a light model, but it's very efficient. And as you can see now, it's downloading. The speed of download, it's going to depend on your internet connection. In the meantime, while it downloads, we can see we have all our models tagged for you to choose, system information on your machine, and some advanced configuration for users to play with and personalize their experience. So now it's done. We can select the model. As you can see, it activated successfully. And we go back to the chat tab to speak with the chat. So here it is. You see Qwen, it's already in our menu. And we can start chatting. Hey, how are you doing, Qwen? So the model works and it's running on your machine through the browser. But that's not why we are here. CZero is about accessing your files on your computer. So in order to do that, we need to do one additional step. Let's go on the Workspace tab. Here we can add directory directly from your file system. Let's see how. A directory, I prepare already a directory with only one file for us to play with. Select. Now we need to give permission to the browser to access the file. Why is that? Because we are not uploading anything. We are just accessing our own file system, and everything is going to run locally. Now, CZero has the access, and it's saved here in this workspace dashboard. Now we need to process the files in order for the LLM to interact with them. We will go with the default configuration, but again, there are advanced settings for interested users to personalize the experience, especially with RAG. This can be important depending on the problem you're trying to solve. So now, as you see, this was pretty fast because it was a very small folder and it was successfully processed. Last thing, we can add a tag here. We will use the tag YC. So this tag is going to be attached to this workspace. Let's go back to the chat. Now on this little blue book icon, you can see we can select the workspaces by the tag they have. So in this case, to the tag YC, we only have one workspace, but if we had multiple workspaces with the same tag, the chat could access them all. So let's try. Hey, how do I get good ideas for a startup? As you see now, the model is thinking, but most importantly, it's going to answer our question using the file in our workspace as a reference. So you see, and starting replying, and the words that he's writing are actually inspired by the words of Paul Graham in his essay. Most nicely, additionally, the CZero, it's also giving us the sources, so the chunks of document that the LLM is using to reply to us. So that was all. This was CZero. And if you're interested and you want to help, or you want to chat, or you wanted to suggest us new feature, or just hang out, you can follow us on our social media, especially on our Discord. Bye.